For some reason, he's always happier on the changing table. Don't know why. Is that why? Because I get a clean butt on this table. It's very refreshing. Yeah? For real? You're not joshing with me, are you? Throw your hands in the air, wave them like you just don't care. Good job. Good job. Got any smiles for the camera? No, I'm busy hiccuping. Get out of my face. Hello, Michael. Hey. You're looking at the camera a little bit. You ready to start your morning? Yeah. The time on this thing is wrong. It said it's 8 o'clock, but it's not. It's 9. And there's the Isabel. Hello, Mrs. Isabel. Sad puppy dog face. Come here.